Hello, welcome to Even Beyond. I am Varun. In this HTML tutorial video, it is time for activities. We have so far learned about some of the HTML elements, nesting elements, block and inline elements, and empty elements. Using the concepts learned, you have to create two web pages. First is guided and second is left for you to do this on your own. Here is the expected output for the first one. I have provided these texts in the description below. Steps for first activity. Step 1. Create a new HTML document and save with name activity1.html. Step 2. Take a h1 heading with text I am this page heading. Step 3. Take a paragraph with this content, and the last step, you have to save this file and open in the browser, similar to what I have done here. For the second activity, you have to create a page with this output. The texts used here are given in the video description below as well. I have provided their solutions as well. You can find the links in the description, but be honest to yourself. Do these two activities first on your own, and once you are done with this, only go for cross-checking. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.